faction of ZANU-PF supporters has publicly rejected efforts to extend President Idi Mnangagwa's term to 2030, declaring their unwavering support for Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as the party's future leader. Sana pena mashoko anobuda nyugo panapa, notable subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipena panapa, muna umubuda mnyugo mchinzi. The controversy erupted following a leaked clip from the state broadcaster ZBC, in which Justice Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi was seen instructing party members to align themselves with a narrative exonerating President Idi Mnangagwa from being behind the contentious term extension proposal. In the clip, Ziyambi can be heard saying, "When you are asked, you must say we are the ones who came up with the call to lengthen President Mnangagwa's term. Even myself, when I shall meet him, I shall sound like he was one clue about it." The video sparked outrage among ZANU-PF supporters and members who accused Ziyambi of misleading the nation. In a strongly worded statement, a group of party members dismissed the minister's claims as legendary lies and asserted that there had been no consultation within ZANU-PF structures on the proposed term extension. The development reveals deep division within ZANU-PF as it grapples with questions over leadership succession and internal cohesion. Analysts say the public dissent highlights growing dissatisfaction with Mnangagwa's leadership amid economic challenges and warning grassroots support. Toma shoko anobuda pana vationa that video clip tichilika tichionekwa kuti aiwa vakomana vana Ziyambi vanobuda vatara mashoko achiti aiwa nyangwe neni aiwa handitombosapoti but munofana kubuda muchitaura mashoko muchiti ndimi muri kuindosa mutungamiri wenyika haaziri ari kukufosai kuti mumuindose. Chikwati chazongobuda pachena kuti vakomana kunyange vari muthe regime, the ruling party, aiwa they are not willing aiwa kuti vasvike mu2030 vanaye the leader, current leader aripo. Tize mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu. Sana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.